How can you transfer your stuff from the Android to a used iPhone? Let me explain it all. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, it doesn't matter if the iPhone is used or brand new because every single phone can be, reset to the original settings, right? So it's going to behave like fresh out of the box. But the point is that you basically want to go to the settings of the iPhone and tap on general, then the transfer or reset iPhone below. And if of course, if you want to get rid of all of the data and if you want to start fresh with a brand new iPhone, you can click on the erase all content and settings. This means that the phone will be like empty after the process. So if you have anything valuable on the phone, make sure you back it up somewhere else. But then you can do this and the phone will behave as if it were open fresh out of the box. And once you have that, you can put the iPhone aside for a while. And on your Android phone, you can download the app from the Play Store, which is called Move to iOS. So you'll basically download it on your device and then put the devices together side by side. And you're going to go through the setup instructions to make sure that it all just kind of like links up together, that of course both devices are recognized by each other, and you can basically just transfer all of the files from Android phone to the iPhone, even though it's been used, but you reset it to the original state, so you can move all of the different things and all of your files from the Android platform to the iPhone. And usually it should work well. Perhaps there are going to be some category of files which will not be transferred for some reason, but usually it's going to be working well. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. I would really appreciate your feedback below, but for now that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.